Hey guys, we're here in Chesterfield. This water heater does not work. And this feeds the master bedroom. This water heater back here that feeds the rest of the house does work, so it's 100 gallon. This is a 75 gallon high efficiency, high capacity. So they're both 75,000 BTUs. So what we want to do is just take these water lines here and we're going to hook them back onto that water heater so that both sides are fed off the one water heater. So we'll have to disconnect this gas line right here and cap that off. We'll have to move the water lines over, get rid of the expansion tank, get rid of this tank. The electrical's pretty easy, you just gotta unplug it. And then we're gonna come over here and hook it into this right here. We're gonna hook it up to this water heater. And one thing, this circulating pump is not working. You guys take a little bit of time to figure out what's going on with that. I'm not sure what controls it or how they control that. We need to look at that and figure that out. What else? Oh, the flue pipe. There's an aluminum flue pipe, and it's 4-inch here, so we need 1, 2, 3. I would bring 3 elbows and only about 3 or 4 feet of pipe to replace that flue pipe there. And other than that, everything looks good with this water heater. See, circulation pump switch on wall behind you. Okay. So anyways, that's what's going on in this job. Appreciate it. Thank you.